Looking at GatesFX for Forex trading? Hold up. Before you deposit any money, you need to hear this. We dug deeper into this broker and what we found is alarming. GatesFX claims to be regulated by the International Financial Center of St. Lucia, but here's the truth. A company called GatesFX Ltd exists in the St. Lucia registry. That's just basic business registration. The St. Lucia IFC has publicly stated that it does not regulate or license Forex brokers. This means GatesFX has no legitimate regulatory supervision whatsoever. It has been verified that this broker currently has no valid regulation, no FCA, no ASIC, no SISEC, nothing from any trusted authority. The reviews are all over the place. Some users on Trustpilot give it 4 stars and say execution is good, but dig deeper and red flags appear. One user said they made a $50 deposit, scalped for profit, then suddenly their account was deactivated and profits were taken by the broker. Multiple complaints mentioned that when depositing money, everyone was nice, but when requesting withdrawal, people disappeared. Users warn about a fake 100% deposit bonus that's designed to trap you. GatesFX offers MetaTrader 5 and their own platform, with run spreads from 0 pips and leverage up to 1 to 1,000. And they trade over 65 currency pairs plus commodities, stocks, indices, and crypto. On paper, it sounds competitive, but without regulation, these features mean nothing if you can't withdraw your money. The GatesFX website loads slowly and appears unprofessional with grammatical errors, which is common among scam brokers. The domain is only about 1 year old. Multiple experienced traders on forums flat out say only fools would trade with an unregulated broker like this. Without strict regulations, there's no assurance your data will be kept safe or that you can get your money back. So is GatesFX worth it? Absolutely not. GatesFX shows multiple signs of a scam. The lack of a regulation and deceptive practices should be enough to discourage serious investors. We strongly advise you to avoid engaging with GatesFX and protect your funds by choosing only popularly regulated brokers. Don't risk your money with an unregulated broker. Stick with FCA, ASIC, or SISEC regulated firms where your funds are actually protected. That's GatesFX for you guys. Stay away. Your money deserves better protection.